comes from like a parent perspective. It's very frustrating for me when I talk to my mother about a very simple topic that doesn't take much time to be able to understand. But every single time we have a conversation about something, she brings it up. She doesn't want to understand where I'm coming from. And even when I try to lay it down, and it's very simple, she wants to get upset. When the situation doesn't call for her to be upset, but she wants to be mad. And I feel like what frustrates me about it is I'm a very patient person. I can talk to anyone, but the only person in this world that knows how to rile me up by just a few simple words is my mom, because she doesn't want to understand where I'm coming from sometimes. But I love her, she's awesome. What's very frustrating about it is the fact that parents just come from a perspective of always wanting to be right and feeling like you cannot tell them like when they're wrong. Like, you're a human. Just because you gave me life does not mean now you are God. And that is what frustrates me to the nines, is I am not capable or not allowed to just be like, hey mom, this was not right. That's it. Mama, I love you, but sometimes it's not right.